Hi there, Cynthia Gill with Florida Educational Services, and I just want to take 1 minute of your time to talk to you about how we at FES can help you with your recruiting efforts. One of the biggest challenges that I had when I was a team leader of 16 years was leverage. I always had an amazing platform for education and training, a robust training calendar. And what I always struggled with was the scripts, the email campaigns, the text messages that I needed to use or could use in order to invite agents from outside of our company to these amazing education classes that we were offering at a really high level. We know that FES delivers value, and we wanted to help our team leaders and our OPs to add more recruits to the room. How do we get more recruits to attend your classes? So what Melissa and I did was we came together, we looked at our curriculum, and we have built out a recruiting platform around our classes, meaning that we will send you a plug and play calendar of events with the email, with the text message, with what to say for every single class that we offer to make it as easy and seamless as possible so that you can turn around and hand that to a team member to help you implement. Because our job is to help you to grow. And so we look forward to talking to you for a few minutes. So click on the link below, schedule a 15-minute consultation with me and Melissa, and let's talk to you about how we can start getting recruits in the room so that you can grow your market center. Thank you so much.